How to add new email address on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. From the list of apps, locate and select the Mail app to access its specific settings. Now, tap on Mail accounts at the very top. This is where you can view all your configured email accounts. Tap on Add Account to proceed. Select Outlook.com from this list to add your Microsoft email account. Then the official Microsoft sign-in page pops up. Simply enter your credentials and follow the prompts to add your new email account. Following all of these steps, you can easily add new email account on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.